Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, and today I'll show you how we can boot this phone into download mode. So, to get started, we will need to grab a cable, plug it into your computer, and have it ready. And on our phone side, pull down your notifications, extend them, and then select the power button right here. Choose power off. Now when the phone turns off, you want to hold volume up and volume down at the same time. Now I'm going to grab the phone in my hand. It's going to be a little bit easier for me. So hold power key, or not power key, volume up and volume down. You do not hold the power key. And while holding volume up and down, plug it in. You can see on the screen side we have a little pop-up right here. I'm going to turn off the lights just so you can see this a little bit better. And let's brighten up the camera. So there we go. You can see it just a little bit better. Sorry for the flickering. But once you see this, you can probably barely see this right here. So press volume up to continue. And there we go. We are now in the download mode. Now, that is how you boot into this mode. And once you're ready to leave it, you can hold power key and volume down at the same time, which is written right here. So volume down plus side key, power key basically, for more than 7 seconds to basically restart the phone. So I'm going to do that right now. Now once the phone turns, the screen turns black, that means that the phone did reboot and you can let go of those keys. There we go. And also, you can unplug the cable. So there we go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.